Hello traders, this is your boy Coach Blue Forex, the founder of Coach Blue Forex Academy. Today I'm going to share with you my experience of trading all Forex pairs and few Forex pairs. Which method will make you profitable? I know a lot
Of your favorite mentors will tell you trading two pairs, one pair is good. But there's
but please pay attention with me, stay with me and listen my logic that trading all pairs will make you profitable. Okay, let me start with this. My strategy is that I trade high time frame, and as all you know, trading higher time frame is way profitable trading in the low time frame, because in the low time frame you will see a lot of traffic jam, a lot of break of structures, a lot of, it's like complicated. But once you learn how to trade higher time frame while using good risk reward ratio, you will definitely be profitable. On top of that, if you trade all currency pairs, for example, I trade all currency pairs plus Nasdaq, US 30 and oil. Those are different scenario, but today I will not discuss about those stocks and oil, but we are going to discuss about Forex pairs. See, when you are trading all Forex pairs and you're using high time frame, the, you will not be fearful of you miss a trade, because you are trading all pairs, right? This is the first point. When you are trading all pairs, for example, you are trading all pairs, you miss a trade, you miss a setup in AUD USD. You will not be shocked. You will not go and just that trade. You will say, okay, I know I will get a setup in Euro USD. You see, that's fine. Is remove the fear of FTMO, of missing out, because you know you have another pairs which you will trade. The second point is that, as you all seen, if you are a profitable trader, if you have been trading for a long time, you, or if you are have been in this industry for a long time, you know what I'm talking about. Currency pairs do do not go good levels every day. It will take a while to reach a good level which we can say, okay, this is a strong level, strong support, strong resistance, what you call whatever name you want, strong zone, strong fairly gap. There's a lot of names to name the strong level, but the idea is that currency pairs will not go to those level every day. So if you are trading two pairs, you are limited, because those pairs will not go to that level every day. Like, it will take hours. So because you are trading two pairs, you are going to force a trade, because those like for example, the trade are not ready basically. So you are trying to force because you are limiting yourself. But if you are trading like all pairs, you will only select those who are in the good levels, who will give good trading opportunity. For example, I know a lot of moment was preach like you have to stick with two pairs. See, you try to master two pairs. You do not have to master two pairs. You have to master the levels, strong levels, strong zones. I believe anyone in this forex industry can be profitable if they follow two concepts. Just wait when the price reach a good level, take the trade and wait the result. For example, if you are trading all currency pairs, I know 1 to 2 to 5 pairs will go to daily support or weekly support or 4 hour support. Those are the strong levels. When we are talk about strong levels, we always talk about high time frame. The higher the time frame, the higher that support will likely to be respected. So you have to treat all the bears to get that those kind of bears, right? Those levels. So you see, my log is trade the right way. The meaning trade the right way come from that. We are not trying to plan anything. We're not. Let me give you a brief of history of where I started. I have been trading for 5 years, but when I started trading, I was only trading few pairs. you know as your favorite mentors will tell you, just stick. I never had a mentor. I learned all my skill, all my knowledge through backtesting, through research, through reading books. I just finished this book. It's a great book. I would recommend you to read, The Psychology of Money. The more books you read, the more knowledge you will gain. So I learned all my knowledge just reading books, researching. So, but when I started, I was trading like 5 pairs. I was like, what I noticed was that I was forcing trade consistently, looking for a setup, but the market is not ready. I was trying forcing. Then I was like, okay, why not trade? Why not add another five and trade 10 and see if you can be profitable again? That time, 5, 10 was better than 5. When I was trading 10, I was like, okay, because I could get like one setup, two setup a day with a good strong level, with a good zone, which can be profitable, which can hit my TBs, because in this game we cannot afford SL, we cannot stop, we cannot avoid stop loss, but we can, we try to manage risk, but if your strategy is good, if you are taking the trade in a good level, there is low chance that your SL will be hit, So I started trading 10 bears. Then I was like, okay, I was doing good. I seen the rest. I was like, okay, why not add another five? Then I added another five, and keep in mind that I was backtesting those 5 pairs. I was not simply just adding, No, I was backtesting, then adding those pairs. Then I was good at those 15. I was like, okay, now 15. Why not add another five? Then I added, those bears which people do not use it, like the MENA, currencies like AUD, NZD, those stuff, right? AUD card, people do not trade. I was just adding those pairs, and I noticed those pairs were actually was the one who's making me the money, most of the money, right? Then I keep adding. Now that's why I trade all the pairs. One thing will conclude. This is the last point I will conclude with. You know, most traders trade, those like major pairs like Euro USD, gbpjpy. What I noticed is that those pairs, there are a lot of manipulation every time. The candle will go up, go up, then come back in a London session. The New York, it will go down, because there is a lot of manipulation there. But what I noticed that when I'm trading AUD cat, there is no wick. Wick when the candle goes down, the 4 hour candle goes down like 50 bip. In the next 10 minutes, it goes up. That's what they call manipulation. There's less manipulation in those like pairs like your AUD card. That's what I noticed. So if you want to avoid this manipulation, you have to use like unpopular pairs, like those pairs we people do not trade. The pair you're trading is popular or not popular. That's not the point. The point is that it's making you money. That's what most important is, that is this pair making you money. So what I will advise to traders now is that make sure you back test. It will not be easy, analyzing 20 pairs, 25 pairs, like me. I analyze now. Today is Sunday. I finished analyzing all the pairs. Usually I analyze all the pairs Saturday and Sunday. I know it will take a lot of time, but you have to analyze the pairs because you have to make this is our job. Some people will tell you that you cannot, you don't have to be in your chair all the time. Imagine, do 9 to 5. This is a real job. You have to do the job. You have to analyze. You have to put the time. That's and one of the reasons why people avoid trading all the way. It's not that trading all the best. It's not profitable. Is that they are lazy. They don't want to put the time in. So do not be that person. I will tell you now. I will end with my session today that do not master one bear or two bears. Do not limit yourself. You can master all the bears if you are passionate enough, if you have the time, if you have the energy, if you want to be staying in this game for a long time. You have to master how to treat all the bears. I know bears are different. I know they do not move the same way. I know that bears do not move the same way. I know they do not move the same time. I know all this. If you want to how I do it, you can DM me on my Instagram at Coach Blue Forex. I will help you and train you how to do that. But I know that, for example, Euro USD, it moves like London time and New York time, mostly. But Euro JPY, it can move in Tokyo time, So you have to know what time. It's all about the burning back testing. You need back test. So I will end with this point. Please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. And you have, if feel free to ask any question if you have any question, and also if you have any topic you want me to cover, you can also ask me. I will try my best to cover. I will try all my knowledge doing research. I will just, and I will make that video for you. I will end with this. See you next time, and trade safe. Make sure to use a stop loss, guys. That's the key, man. This is like another key point. Without stop loss, we will not make money as traders. Protect your capital and trade the right way.